This chapter explains how to set up security profiles for users so they can gain access to ShopPAK. Examples of these types of users include project managers, production managers, purchasing agents, engineers, accounting personnel, etc. Each user logs on to ShopPAK with their ProjectPAK logon ID and password. Once connected, ShopPAK uses their ShopPAK security profile to determine what screens and reports they can access, as well as which records they can browse, create, modify, and delete. Open up ShopPAK and log on with the Special System Administrator user ID and password. The password will be located in your TradeSoft binder with all of your other installation instructions and implementation guidelines. Once you have logged in and the main ShopPAK screen appears, go to the Define menu and scroll down to select Employee. Create a new employee by clicking the New button. To create a ShopPAK user, you must at the very least fill in Employee ID, first and last name, and check the ShopPAK user box. For any employee that is hourly, whether they are a production floor employee or a ShopPAK user, you need to also create a wage record. To create a wage record for the employee, right-click in the list box on the right and select New from the drop-down menu. Fill in all pertinent information, and when you are done, click the OK button. Refer to Chapter 2 and 4 in the ShopPAK User's Guide for an in-depth explanation of all information and checkboxes. Click OK to close the Employee dialog box, and now go to the Define menu and select Security. Inside the dialog box, you'll see a list of all of the ProjectPAK user IDs. If you do not see the user you need to create a ShopPAK security profile for, then go inside ProjectPAK and go to the Define menu and then to Security and create them. Even if they don't need to use ProjectPAK, they still require a ProjectPAK logon before you can create a ShopPAK security profile for them. Now that we've created the ProjectPAK user ID, let's go back into ShopPAK. To refresh the list inside the Security dialog box, simply close the dialog box and then reopen it. Click the Employee cell-down arrow of the ProjectPAK user you want and select the accompanying ShopPAK user. Once you have mapped the correct ShopPAK user, click the Options tab at the top of the dialog box. You'll notice that the employee's name appears in red at the top of the list of options. Make sure this is the correct employee and check all options that apply. Refer to Chapter 2 in the ShopPAK User's Guide for more information on all the options and what they mean. Next, select the Main Tabs tab at the top of the dialog box. The left list box contains the main ShopPAK functions as well as scheduling. Select the function you wish to define for the current employee and set their privilege level. Privileges are cumulative, meaning whichever one you select, it also includes all privileges above it. Refer to Chapter 2 in the ShopPAK User's Guide for more information on all the options and what they mean. Once you have finished setting all of the employee's privileges, click the OK button to close the dialog box. Complete this process for all ShopPAK users. Keep in mind that since ShopPAK supports several users and each user has specific responsibilities and duties, it is critical to limit each user's security privileges to only those functions they need access to.